Evening, guys. Evening, folks, wherever you are. So it's a Monday, and I've already posted for you the weekly mentorship forecast in regards to what we should anticipate the market to do in this coming week. So as it is a Monday today, I haven't been really participating in the markets. As always the case, I don't trade on a Monday unless if there's special price actions or patterns that I would have seen in the markets. So with that said, I'm just going to do a short summary of today's price action in relation to the PD areas that we spoke about yesterday, so that we get to see how we can approach Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in regards to today's price action. So we're going to start with dollar index, right? On our daily time frame, right? We're expecting dollar to retrace into discount for a further push to the upside, right? We're expecting a protraction phase beginning of the week, and then with all the high impact news that are coming during the week, we expect dollar to find support in discount for a push to the upside. So when we look at dollar, I'm just going to go to a different chart quickly, right? So this is dollar, right? So we should expect dollar to trade. Right now, we are almost at equilibrium point, as highlighted yesterday. Price is now approaching the equilibrium point of this displacement here, the willingness that we saw the market wanting to go to the upside. And if you go on the daily chart, see our fair value gap on the daily chart, which is our discount range where we anticipate long positions. So once price dips below 105.922, once price trades below that, then we have to look at the calendar. We go to our calendar for tomorrow. And tomorrow we've got, I'm pretty sure we've got retail sales. Let me just confirm that by going to the calendar. Let me just confirm that by going to the calendar. So today, Monday is done, but we've got CPI for NZD coming in just after New York close. So when we look at Tuesday, right? Tuesday we've got core retail sales for the dollar. Core retail sales for the dollar, and with the kind of price action that we have got today, price trading back into discount. So you can see we've already taken out the liquidity below this low here. Let me just mark that out with the checkbox, right? So we've taken out that liquidity. Then what's left? What's left is this range here from this candle's high to the current candle's low. So I'm going to readjust my fair value gap range. You see, that's what we've got right now. So with this range here that we've got, our discount area, if we go to the daily chart, that's the range that we have. So tomorrow, Tuesday, we need to pay particular attention on price action towards New York Open. We've got FOMC members speaking, and then we've got retail sales coming in at 2:30. So there could be opportunities there if the retail sales come in positive. So your mindset, your approach to trading dollar index tomorrow is, once we have price trading around 105.77, once we have price trading around 105.77, we need to be anticipating positive news for the retail sales. If we do get negative retail sales release, right? If we do get negative retail sales release, then we should see dollar continue going all the way, approaching the OTE and the 79% retracement level. So already you can see you've got a market profile. You've got a market maker buy profile that you have to anticipate on dollar index, meaning your approach to the market tomorrow is you should lean towards a positive retail sales from the United States, because you can see how price is trading into discount. Remember, this is Monday's price action, right? Our target still remains above the high here at 107.044. That's our target in terms of longs taken inside this range. So you're only going to focus on buying dollar after a positive release. Focus on going long on dollar after a positive release. Looking at the other currency pairs now that we spoke about yesterday, right? Vice versa now, when you look at Euro USD. So Euro USD has also done its protraction phase into premium. And that protraction phase now is almost filling up our gap, right? We've got price trading back, retracing back into premium. So with the anticipation of positive retail sales, we expect Euro to find resistance inside the daily fair value gap. You can see here we've got a high probability bearish order block. So the moment price trades to Monday, Friday, Thursday, the moment price trades to Wednesday slow, you are now in a premium zone, right? You're now in an area where you should be hunting for shorting opportunities. Same applies with Pound USD. Pound USD hasn't yet traded back into our premium range. The retracement is still panning out. And then when you look at NZD USD, we did trade to Friday's high, which is the start of our fair value range. But price did not go any further. And you can see we're consolidating now on H4. And then on Aussie dollar, same applies. But Aussie dollar has now traded above Friday's high. What does that mean? We've taken out the liquidity. We've taken out internal range liquidity of buy stops on Aussie dollar. So anticipate price to find a bit of resistance prior to it reaching this low here. Price should find resistance. What could be the catalyst for price to find resistance? Around 0.63, 0.63719. The catalyst is retail sales. So retail sales are going to be the driver of the markets tomorrow. So it's crucial that you take note of the outcome of retail sales, especially the core retail sales and the retail sales month to month of September. Right now, the focus is 0.3 for retail sales, and then core retail sales, the focus is 0.2. With that in mind, I think we should get higher numbers. We should get a higher release for the retail sales, probably something like 0.4, 0.5. Anything other than that, then we should see dollar under pressure. We should see dollar under pressure. That means filling up our fair value gap. You just need to go to the weekly chart. Okay, let's go to the monthly chart. We've got a fair value gap there, monthly bullish fair value gap. If we do trade to that level come tomorrow, it definitely means we would have got negative retail sales. Those are the only fundamentals on the calendar that can push dollar towards that price action. Yes, we've got William speaking here at 2 o'clock. That's like 30 minutes before retail sales. So the speech from this guy here, this FOMC member, that speech is mostly likely going to be used for run-off stops. Take note, run-off stops. You might be misled by the price action when he's speaking, like 30 minutes before the what? The retail sales release. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys in regards to what we have seen in the market today. So our analysis is still intact. We're looking for a strong dollar for the rest of the week, and we're looking for weakness in major currencies for the rest of the week. Take note also, in a bullish weekly order flow, the low of the week, the lowest price for that week normally comes in during London session or New York session on a Tuesday. So expect the low of the week to be formed on dollar tomorrow, thereby heading into Wednesday. If we look at Wednesday, the fundamentals that we've got on, we've got GDP for China. That's 4 a.m. Asian session should be interesting. And GDP for China is going to affect dollar massively. And then we also have building permits and crude oil inventories on Wednesday. By this time here, if the weekly institutional order flow is to be respected, price should not trade below Tuesday's low, unless if the fundamentals come out the other way around. Remember, you have to react to that. It's not just a case of saying, oh no, Ivan has said we should anticipate positive retail sales. Yes, we should anticipate positive retail sales, but only if price is in discount. Remember, if price is in discount, we need to find support, right? How do we lean towards price finding support when it's in discount? We need a high impact positive news release, which is what we have on dollar tomorrow, retail sales. So yeah, that's just a brief summary of what I wanted to update you guys on, so that you're on par with what I'm looking at in terms of the price action in markets. So yeah, with that said, guys, I wish you good luck and happy trading. Thank you, folks.